In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go on specific date in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey, knowing how to navigate Tradingview's powerful charting tools can make a big difference in your analysis. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to jump to a specific date or time range within the charts. It's a great feature for studying past market trends, reviewing historical performance, or simply focusing on the data that matters most. If you're new to Tradingview, you'll find a link in the description below to create your account and get started. Now let's dive in. First, open Tradingview on your browser or launch the Tradingview app. If you're not logged in, make sure you're signed into your account to access the full range of features. Once Tradingview is open, look toward the top of the screen and locate the search bar. This is where you'll enter the name or ticker symbol of the asset you want to analyze. For example, if you're looking for Apple stock, you could type in AAPL. Or if you're analyzing Bitcoin, you could type BTC/USD. After entering your search term, select the correct option from the drop-down list that appears. This step ensures you're loading the chart for the exact product or market you're interested in. Once you've selected the asset, give the chart a moment to load. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds. Now, this is where the magic happens. To navigate to a specific date, press Alt+G on your keyboard if you're using a Windows device. Alternatively, if you're on a Mac, press Option+G. This will open up the Date Navigation tool, which is your shortcut to accessing historical data without the hassle of excessive scrolling. When the Date Navigation tool appears, you'll see a field where you can input the specific date you want to jump to. Simply type in the date you're interested in and hit Enter. This tool is incredibly useful because it allows you to instantly access the exact point in market history you want to analyze, saving you a lot of time and effort. If you're not just looking for a single date, but instead want to analyze a range of dates, there's a custom range option available. In this case, enter the starting date and the ending date for the period you want to examine. This is perfect for studying trends or observing market behavior over a specific time frame. For instance, if you wanted to analyze the performance of an asset during the first quarter of 2023, you could set the range from January 1st to March 31st. After entering your desired date or range, the chart will automatically update to display the relevant data. At this point, you can zoom in or out to get a closer look at specific details or a broader view of the overall market activity during that time. Zooming in can help you focus on individual candlesticks or data points, while zooming out provides a clearer picture of the overall trend. And there you have it. By using Tradingview's Date Navigation tool, you can enhance your analysis by focusing only on the data that matters most. Whether you're backtesting a strategy, studying historical patterns, or simply exploring market history, this feature makes it easy and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.